Buy settings. The buy settings are very important to trade successfully on Cryptohopper. These are found under Config and Base Config. The first setting is percentage lower bid, which allows you to bid lower than the current price. Next, max open time buy is the amount of time your hopper will leave a buy order open for. If, for example, your lower bid is too high, you might need to increase your max open time buy. Max open positions and max percent open positions per coin allow you to customize exactly how many open positions you can have, and how many per coin, which then conveniently gives you a final indicator of how many open positions you'll be able to have per coin. Only one buy order per coin will disallow your hopper from buying two of the same coin, which may be useful if you want to spread risk. Only buy when there are positive pairs tells your hopper that it can only buy a coin, if that coin has increased in price at some point in your chosen amount of time. Finally, cooldown tells your hopper how much you want it to rest after making a buy or sell. That's it! Happy hopping!